spot before the stores close? Well, what if you could get everything done early, efficiently, and on budget? So shoppers rejoice as Mary Goulet is here, and she is the founder of momstown.com, and she has some savvy shortcuts to wrap up your holiday wrapping and all your shopping. And thank you for being here, Mary. How are you?
I'm doing well, Tiffany.
Good. So you've got some great tips about staying on budget this year as well.
That's right. You know, everybody's worried about the economy, so they really want to enjoy the holiday season. But they're, thinking, gosh, how can I get the best deals in town? And the National Retail Federation is saying 70% of shoppers are expecting to be finished with their shopping by December 7th.
We've heard that from other retailers as well, that everybody's going to kind of go and do it early.
Well, I think the retailers are pushing it along. They're saying, let's get some promotional deals and coupons out there and draw people into the store, which is great. So then when people are looking at these things, they're going, gosh, I don't know if I can afford some of these popular items. But if you have an American Express card, you can use your membership rewards points instead of cash.
Which I like. You said you've got lots of points built up.
I do, and I can't wait.
What kinds of things can you get here?
Well, you can find some technological things, but you can also just go to membershiprewards.com/hotpicks and choose from 50 items that you can get. Just order by December 3rd so you make sure you get them by Christmas.
Cool. Very cool. What else do you have here for us?
Well, we want to save time.
Yes.
We're always in a rush. So I would choose like a one-stop shop like Sam's Club where you can get great value and a wide range of items. Now, I couldn't resist. One of the items you can get is jewelry.
Yes.
And so this Everlyn Diamond Knot collection is at Sam's Club.
Which you're wearing. It's beautiful.
I know.
I'm a member, and there we've got a great shot of it. That's beautiful.
Yes, it's really fun to wear. And also, Smart Box themed gift card packages. Now, these are unique items, and there are a wide array of items at Sam's Club. So that's a great one-stop shop if you want to just get in and get out.
So what if you're a mom? Sometimes you want to buy gifts that are a little more practical like socks or things like that. What's a good practical gift for the family?
Well, we do call them practical luxuries. I kind of coined that one because there are gifts that people want, but so maybe give the gift of health this season with at-home beauty treatments, spa certificates.
Nice.
And this I love. This is the Oral-B Professional Care 1000. It's inspired by what dentists use. And so it also helps with the recommended, 2-minute brushing sequence. That helps you remove up to 2 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush. And I recognize that when I'm traveling so much, I miss my Oral-B.
I know.
I just have my love. I'm not very good at this on my own.
Then you feel like you have sweaters on your teeth.
Seriously. So I prefer the Oral-B Professional Care 1000.
Good. That's a nice practical one. I like that. And
it is.
One of your biggest tips in your book, which it's all about you as well, is staying with lists and keeping on target, right?
That's right. Well, and we also have a chapter in my book on organizing. And I have fun organizing, especially since I had my Simply Stylish 1290 labeler from Brother P Touch.
Ooh.
I have to hide this from my daughter. She has labeled everything.
I used to be obsessed with labeling too, so I understand.
It's fun. And you know what? It's great for men, women, at home, and in the office.
Nice.
So you can label everything with, 15 deco modes. You can label stylishly with fonts for containers. Once you start labeling in your pantry or your office, you're looking around, searching. What else can I label?
What else can I label? Can I label my friends?
Seriously, it's crazy.
That's perfect.
Gifts, placement cards at seating arrangements,
Great.
and in the holiday season, look for the colorful, gold labels that Brother P Touch has available now, because they're a lot more stylish, and you don't feel like it's just slapping on a label. It's actually decorative and creative.
That's a great idea. And for more of those information on all these gifts that you saw,
absolutely.
Thank you, Mary, be sure to visit our website, themorningblend.com, and you can check out all of these things that she was talking about and links to go to those as well.
That's right. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at @mgouletmom, we have constant tips on how you can save money and budget your time and get the great gifts you want to enjoy the holidays with.
Great. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Tiffany.
Thanks, Mary. We'll be back in just a minute.